What $10 can get you at IKEA versus Costco.
I'm hitting up the cafeteria for a $10 meal of that sweet, sweet goodness. Meatballs are on me.
After much deliberation between a $5.99 bottle of Stella or a wonky-looking egg sandwich, I landed on the Swedish meatball combo for $8.99. And between you and me, this was actually my first time eating at IKEA. Typically, I try hard not to eat at furniture stores, and even harder not to buy furniture at restaurants. Alas, I'll try anything once. And the meatball combo here with a free glass of water was nothing short of romantic. Wiped my plate clean, exited, and well,
That couldn't have gone any better. I'm leaving IKEA right now, headed to Costco. I'm gonna be totally honest, that's gonna be a hard meal to beat.
drove 7 minutes to Costco, contemplated buying 6 hot dogs for $9, but instead of suffering from a heart attack, I thought I'd channel my inner child and order some chicken fingers and a chocolate ice cream instead. After a classic in-car session, the results are in, and though the food at Costco is appealing and great for a midday snack, the truth is, $10 gets you a lot farther at IKEA. Between their fluffy mashed potatoes, cream sauce, soft veggies, and iconic meatballs, I mean, you're getting a luxury meal here you're just not gonna find anywhere else for that price.
I would have to say IKEA is unmatched.